Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. Before we get started today, if you could please hit that subscribe button down below, and also if my videos are helpful for you, please give me a huge thumbs up. So today we're going to be getting into the best natural hair products at Target under $10. So there are two main reasons why I love to go to Target to get my natural hair products. Number one is they have the biggest selection of natural hair products that you can't find anywhere else. And number two, they have an unbeatable return policy. You can buy something, try it, and take it back if you don't like it. So if you're a product junkie like me and you're tired of wasting your coins on failed natural hair products, then you need to head over to Target. So the first product that we're going to be talking about today is the Kinky Curly Come Clean Shampoo. From my own experience, this is a great shampoo to use once a week to get rid of any buildup and also any excessive oils on your scalp. I love that this shampoo gives my hair the squeaky clean feel without over drying my hair. So the second best natural hair product at Target under $10 is going to be the Raw Sugar Mighty Curls Hair Mask. So this hair mask really melted away my tangles. It also really reduced my frizz. It had great slip, and it also added a ton of moisture to my hair. So the third best natural hair product at Target under $10 is going to be the Scalp Restore Conditioner by Raw Sugar. So this conditioner paired with a really good clarifying shampoo will promote a clean, healthy scalp, which will really help with hair growth. It glided through my hair, it had great slip, and I love the way it tingled on my scalp. It gave me a super clean feel. So the fourth best natural hair product at Target under $10.99 is going to be the Emerge My Main BFF Leave-In Conditioner. So you guys, this product is just simply amazing. It absorbs well, you don't have to use a ton, and it has amazing slip. I love the way it moisturizes my hair, and you guys, I'm just in love with this product. The last best natural hair product at Target under $10 is going to be the Kerakin Gel Essence Strengthening Gel with Olive Oil. I used this gel as a one product wash and go, and I absolutely loved it because it really absorbed in my hair and it didn't give me that sticky feel on my hair. I really loved that it had great slip, and I feel like this will be a great gel to use during the winter months because it really moisturized my hair. As far as holds, it didn't have a strong hold. I would say it had maybe like a medium to light hold, but my curls still lasted about 4 or 5 days, which is really good for my hair. So you guys, I hope that you really enjoyed my video. If you used any of these products before, please comment down below and let me know how they work for you. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.